Hello everyone. This is Schlage Z-Wave Smart Lock that we bought, and I had difficulty connecting it with my Abode system. So just sharing it so that other people can get the help. So I'll show it to you how the lock is. It's here. We have installed it. Now to connect it with the Schlage Z-Wave Connect, we'll go to the Abode system. First of all, we have to go to Add Device section, and then since Schlage is not the Abode device, we have to go to the other devices, and it is a Z-Wave device, so we go to Z-Wave exclusion tool, and yeah, so now the Abode will detect the device, and for that we have to put it in programming mode. So let's go to the lock system. So when I go here, I have to put it in programming mode so that it can connect. So let's just click play first. It's logged now. Now again, then I have to put the programming code. Wait a second. So now the yellow light is blinking, and now I'll click 0. So now the Abode system has detected the device, and now I'll close this. So it's searching for devices, so we have to do that thing again, and I just press it again, and the code, so now again the yellow light is blinking, and when I put 0, you'll see two right clicks coming in. So it's been done, and now slowly it will show the device. Yes, so the door lock has come, and now I add it. We can put the device name as front door, and it will just add it. Let's see. Yes, so device is successfully added. Let's continue, and close it. So here it is. So this is the front door device which has been added. I can lock and unlock it from here. So it just locked it, and this is the way unlock it. And to show the distance, so first we thought that we need a repeater because our Wi-Fi system is a little bit far, but I think it just 40 feet distance that is there between the Abode system and the lock, and it should be fine. Okay, I hope that it's helpful. Thank you.